Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I am going to show you on how to find your Threads profile link. Okay, so now the first thing that you need to do is just to open your Threads application and then click on your profile picture, your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then click on share profile. Okay, and then you can choose among these options here. So for me, I am just going to choose the notes. Okay, so when you click that, you'll be able to see your profile link. So you just have to copy this link. Okay, so for example, we are going to search that in Google. So we just have to paste it here. Okay, so when we do that, we will be redirected to my profile. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can find your Threads profile link. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.